Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents. Doctors confirm that the cartilages of the hip and knee are regenerated in a week using the mixture of these herbs. Are you suffering from pain in your knees and hips? Thousands of people are having this problem. If your answer is yes, then you are at the right place. It is a very short video, so watch and listen to it carefully till the end. Hip and knee pain can be extremely intense and debilitating, aggravating even the simplest movements. To soothe the pain, patients usually use painkillers that just temporarily numb it and might lead to severe side effects. On the other hand, doctors suggest the use of natural herbs as an effective way to treat joint pain and regenerate the cartilages. Today, I will reveal you the recipe of natural antidote that will alleviate hip and knee pain without causing any side effects. Ingredients: thyme 1 tablespoon, salvia 1 tablespoon, mint 1 tablespoon, rosemary 1 tablespoon, water 1 liter. Instructions: put the water in a pot and put it on heat. Once it starts to boil, put the herbs inside and boil them as well for about 5 minutes or so and remove the pot from the heat. Leave the infusion to cool for 15 minutes, drain and store it in the fridge. You can sweeten it with honey. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily, once in the morning on an empty stomach and once in the evening before going to sleep. In a very short time, let's say a week, you will feel the improvements. The pain's intensity will fade away and the cartilages of the knees and hips will be regenerated. Give this simple natural remedy a try and you will be surely surprised by its effectiveness. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.